Are you tired of sifting through endless financial data to make informed investment decisions? Look no further. Introducing to you MarketSmith India, a cutting edge stock research tool designed to provide you with the most comprehensive and up to date analysis of the financial markets. Utilizing advanced algorithms and data sources, our platform delivers a seamless experience, empowering you to confidently make investment decisions. To start using, click on the top right hand corner to log in and put in your email ID and password. If you are a new user, you can sign up here. The homepage offers you a quick glance of pretty much everything that we do in MarketSmith India. You can click on the idea list to get access to our algorithmically generated stock lists that helps you discovering leading stocks in a time-efficient manner. The evaluation tab helps you to make informed investing decisions. It takes you to the place where you can find all the important financial data, ratings, and rankings in one place. Market Outlook is the place where our team experts analyzes the general market and publishes all the actionable insights. And you can see our stock-specific recommendations and actionable items under the Model Portfolio tab. Coming down under the Market Pulse section, you can see the current direction of the general market. At any point of time, the market can be in confirmed uptrend, uptrend under pressure, correction or rally attempt. Next to this, you can see what the major indices are doing today. In the Model Portfolio Alert section, you can all the actionable stocks that are recommended or watched by our experienced team of equity analysts. Further down, the Stocks on the Move section provides you a quick look at the stocks that are up or down today with huge volume. If you come further down, you can quickly access to all the market commentary and learning articles published by our team of experts. You can also see the upcoming earnings and economic events here. You can register for our upcoming CanSlim webinars by clicking here. You can also access the videos of our past webinars. Finally, if you have any questions or queries, you can send them to us by clicking on Post a Query.